What's up, y'all? News just came out. It's 8:31 currently. Price look like it's pushing up a little bit. It might come up into my sell limits, and that would be great if it did. I wouldn't be mad at it. I'll let them all rock out. But so I'm just gonna come back when they do something. No, we're gonna dump. So I'm gonna take this trade with full confidence. I'm not gonna second guess myself, and let's see how it goes. So definitely
Order filled.
good. You took this trade on two different accounts. And it's through the 5 minute.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Finishing two trades at once. See how many trades. So at this point in the video, I turned my camera off and I left the computer and I just let the trade do what it did. And as you can see, I'm just talk through the trade. Wow. See what I'm saying? As you can see, we're coming up to my break even point where we're bouncing between it. I'm still trying to figure out what I could have did better in this trade that would have resulted in less of a loss. Mind you, let me point this out. I took this trade on two different accounts. So I was on a 50K account and I was on a 100K account. And with the one with 4 contracts, that was a 100K account. And the one with 2 contracts, it was a 50K account. So that's why you see the trade just jumping from numbers to numbers in case y'all was confused. I took the trade on 2 different accounts and I was just going from account to account, just seeing where they both was. I was risking less on one of them and risking more on one of them. So at this point, I'm up. Not much. Trade didn't really go nowhere. And we still waiting. Yeah, we're still waiting. In these moments where while I'm in the trade, it's just like I'm not shaky, but I'm real like on edge. I'm on edge usually, but I had told myself that I was gonna stop pressing the close button, which resulted in those losses, which I'm not mad at because I'm sticking to my rules. I can't be mad at it. I told myself I'm not gonna keep pressing the close button. I'm not gonna get out of the trade unless the trade takes me out itself. If the trade's not taking me out itself, then I will not be getting out of a trade due to me. Because that's how I leave money on the table. That's how I've been leaving money on the table. But now, with this new rule I implemented on myself, I feel like it's making me more disciplined. That's why I say I can't be mad. Because it's like, okay, it's a loss. Keep it pushing. Keep it pushing. I can't. It's a loss. It happens. You got to pay your dues in the market. Yeah, so just waiting, seeing where price gonna go. I seen this red candle come out, and I thought, I low key thought that this could have been a turning point, because I really had a lot of confidence in this trade. Like I done said, I had a lot of confidence. I really thought this trade was gonna go my way. But I should looked on the 5 minutes, seeing how hard it was pushing up. Which it was pushing up pretty hard, but I wasn't really taking too much heed to it. Because I was looking at the sellers in the past that could prevent it from continuing up. So I stayed in the trade. And just waited. As y'all see. At this point, I knew, yeah, it's probably over with, because the price was just pushing way too hard. And it was pushing up and up and up. But I really was still having faith. I ain't gonna lie. I was still having faith. I'm like, okay, it's still sellers up here. But I'm gonna just wait till it hit them sellers, and then we gonna keep it pushing down. Which was what I was betting on. But, you know what I'm saying? In every case, that don't happen. That don't happen in every case. I already got one contract taken off on a 50K account. I was risking it all on 100K. I didn't care about a 100K account no more, honestly. But on that 50K, I had, if price came halfway to my stop, it'll take me out one of my positions, so I don't lose as much. Boom, one of the accounts got stopped out. That was the 100K. That was a loss of 700. And then on this account, boom, got stopped out as well at a loss of 350. So over $1,000 lost in a day. I won't lie, but I'm not mad at it. Thank y'all.